Hello friends, I'm Ashok. Welcome in my channel. Friends, today I'm going to tell you about how to use am, is and are, these three words in our communication. Friends, this is not our grammar class that I'm going to tell you very deeply, but this is the spoken class that I'm going to tell you something that we can use in our communication. So just see how we can use them in our communication. At first, I want to tell you there are two different ways that we can use them in our communication. The first way is that we can use to show a factual or fact, and then second is that we can use it for showing continuous time or continuous action. Let's we see first the first type, that is the factual type. Am, is and are, these three words how we can use them in factual sentence. If I want to say I'm Ashok, so I can use there am with I cannot use there he am Ashok. Okay, so am is not using with he or she or it or they. Only am we can use with I. Then I'm a doctor, I'm a carpenter. So these are the factual sentences that we can use am with the I. Let's we jump towards the is word. We can say he is a doctor, he is a Sandesh, he is a carpenter. Okay. Then let's we see our words. You are a doctor. You, it is singular as well as it is the plural second pronoun. Okay, so we can use are with you because are it is a plural verb form. Then we can use like this: we are doctors. Okay, we it is a plural and are it is also a plural. Doctors it is also a plural noun. So with we can use are. Now they are cricketers or they are players, they are pilots. So these are the uses of am, is and are. Friends, we have seen the first type, that how we can use them in our communication. Let's we move towards the next type, that is continue action or to show continue time. Am, is, are. The first example is I'm playing cricket. So I'm playing cricket, it means I'm playing cricket. I play cricket, it means every day or every time when I got a time, then I play a cricket. But I'm playing cricket, it means this action is going on continuously. Okay, so next sentence is I'm watching movies. It means now this time I'm watching movies. Not every time I watch movie. If I say I watch movies, it means every time I watch movie, because the sentence is go on habitual. Okay, so I'm not telling that. So I'm watching movies. It means now I'm watching movies. The time is that I'm watching movies continuously. The next is he is playing cricket. Not every day he plays cricket. Okay, if I say he plays cricket, it means he plays cricket every day. If I say he is playing cricket, it means the time is now that he is playing cricket. Okay, now next example is they are watching movies. Not every day they watch movies, but now the time is that they are watching movies. The time is continue. They are watching continuously. The action is going on. Okay. We are playing piano. So now we are playing piano. Not every day we play piano, but today and this time we are playing piano. So these are the examples and uses of am, is and are. I hope you understand this all. If these amis are, if we want use in negatively, then we can use like this. I'm not a doctor. I'm not a cricketer. I'm not playing a cricket. I'm not playing a piano. He is not a doctor. He is not an engineer. He is not playing cricket. He is not playing piano. We are not doctors. We are not watching movies. They are not pilots. They are not watching movies. So these are the negative form of am, is and are. Friends, it's so easy to use them in our communication. Negative as well as positive. Those both sentences are very easy to use in our communication. And with little sentences, we can speak fluently. We can improve our speaking skill. While you are watching this video at the time, you please practice these sentences, and what I said, some examples, you make more sentences, you can then you can improve your communication skill. I think I clear my topic here well. If you have come any difficulty or problem, then please ask me, comment me in the comment box. If you like my video, then please subscribe it and share it. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice time.